De asta?
Da,
Ok. Pe ăsta-l vrei, da? Și tata, sunt și eu aici. I'm gonna go back to the shop, try to return the Labubu. These lines, I don't see these lines in the stuff here. And that's the box. Okay. Let's have another look at the Labubu. It has small ears, but this one is a bit different. Okay, but maybe it's okay like that. That's the QR code. It doesn't work. The paw mark. Okay. Feet are turning. Head is turning a bit. The hands are not. Labubu. You can barely see this stitching, so it looks original. Just the code doesn't work, and the code on the box was stuck to the bottom. And this reflection, maybe it's just a light or maybe it's just another batch. I don't know. Let's see. Labubu. So, QR code, the monsters. The label. So it seems like I got the full Labubu that turns out to be a Lafufu experience. And it's interesting that the boxes in the shop here, this is at the mall and it's a regular shop, and they are 70 euro, all these things. And you see the lines in the hologram. Some of them, they look real, but it turned out that they were all pretty much fake, but they are good fakes. They are good Lafufus. This is how they call the Lafufu is a fake Labubu. And I'm still not really 100% sure if they are fake, so probably they are real, but maybe not made in a different factory, I don't know. Write in the comments below if you think these are real or if they are fake. I think they are fake, but it's very hard to tell. These days they are so popular that everyone makes them, and it's really hard to tell which one is a fake. But the QR codes were removed from all the boxes, as you see. I think they removed them because they were not working, they were pointing to the wrong domain. Also, if you buy a Labubu and you pay the Labubu price for it, make sure that the QR code sends you to the popmart.com, Popmart with T, and not some other website, not anything else. There is a subdomain, there is something before, but there should be a .popmart.com. That's the real one. These ones, I'm pretty sure they're fakes, but they were 70 euro. I paid 70 euro. I'm really glad I was able to get the money back for them, because it was I don't know, all I can say is be careful when you buy your Labubus. If you really want a real Labubu, get it from popmart.com, from their website, or from their Aliexpress official shop. Here I was thinking maybe to try this ones, to buy that. Maybe that's real, but none of them are real, looks like. Be careful out there between the Lafufus pretending to be Labubus. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.